Have you ever wondered what happens after an AI model like GPT-4 is created? It feels like magic, right? You type a question, and a brilliant answer appears. But what does it take to turn that magic into a real, reliable product you can use every day? That's where the unsung hero of the AI world comes in: AI engineering. You see, a powerful AI model on its own is like a brilliant but wild racehorse. It's got incredible potential, but without a skilled jockey and a well-designed track, it's not going to win any races. It might even run off in the wrong direction. AI engineering is the discipline that builds the entire racetrack, trains the jockey, and makes sure the horse runs safely and reliably every single time. It's the bridge between a cool AI demo and a real-world application that businesses and people can depend on. Let's break it down. Imagine you're building an AI-powered customer service chatbot for a bank. The base AI model might be super smart, but it doesn't know anything specific about your bank's products, policies, or customer data. An AI engineer's first job is to integrate that model. This involves connecting it to the bank's databases in a secure way, so it can pull up your account balance or transaction history. They set up the APIs, the digital messengers that allow the AI to talk to all the other software systems. This is the foundational plumbing that makes everything work together seamlessly. Next up is reliability. What happens if millions of people try to use the chatbot at the same time on Black Friday? A raw model would crash. AI engineers are the architects of scale. They design systems using cloud computing and distributed infrastructure to handle massive amounts of traffic without breaking a sweat. They build monitoring systems that watch the AI's performance 24/7, ready to flag any issues before they affect users. It's about making the AI robust and available, just like any other critical piece of technology. And then there's the big one: safety and ethics. An AI model left to its own devices might accidentally share private customer information or give incorrect, even harmful financial advice. This is a huge risk. AI engineers implement what we call guardrails. They build layers of checks and balances to ensure the AI's responses are accurate, appropriate, and secure. They fine-tune the model to understand the specific context of banking, preventing it from making up information or hallucinating. They also work tirelessly to identify and reduce biases in the AI's behavior, ensuring it treats all customers fairly. This is about building trust. You wouldn't use an app that you can't trust with your information, right? AI engineering is what builds that trust. So, while data scientists and researchers are busy creating more powerful AI brains, AI engineers are the master builders, turning those brains into something truly useful and safe for society. They're the ones who figure out how to make the AI cost-effective to run, how to update it with new knowledge without breaking it, and how to create a user experience that feels intuitive and helpful, not frustrating and robotic. The next time you use a navigation app that reroutes you around traffic, or get a personalized recommendation on a streaming service, or use an AI assistant to write an email, remember the incredible amount of engineering work that's happening behind the scenes. It's not just about a smart algorithm. It's about the complex, sophisticated systems built around it. That is the power and importance of AI engineering, transforming potential into reality. Thanks for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into the world of technology. See you in the next video.